I'm in some crazy-ass canyon off the side of Route 60, coming back from that bridge. And dude, we just passed by this crazy-ass waterfall. Look at this shit. Goes all the way down and down and down and down. This is like one of the awesomest waterfalls I've seen in a long-ass time, I'll tell you. Dude climbing the rocks. Going all the way up there, man. Look at this shit. You don't get shit like this in Florida, I'll tell you that damn much. This is some crazy shit, man, I'm telling you. Here's the waterfall at the bottom, and we'll go all the way to the top. You think that's it? Ha. Think again. Think that's it? Yeah, I guess that is it, but hey, about 100 foot tall, in the middle of this canyon. They need to get some shit like this in Florida, that's all I know. Walking through a little creek bed. Pretty cool. Later.